This expansive facility handles the entire process, from raw hides sourced globally to finished premium leather.
Check the health inspection report, lot number 4B. Confirmed on the traceability record, everything matches the origin certificate.
From ancient hand tanning with natural dyes, through the Industrial Revolution's mechanization, to modern computerized facilities.
Initiating descent. Watch your spacing.
Solid, solid, holding steady. Temperature is good.
These go in grade A priority.
Okay, I'll pull the cart up.
Based on the customer orders here, we should select these 3 pallets first.
Yes, that aligns with the current manufacturing capacity.
Texture Analysis Station utilizes advanced dermatological imaging concept adapted for leather evaluation.
Right here, the internal structure is compromised. We should classify this as FO7.
Agreed. I'm logging the fiber damage and the uneven tanning under UO3.
The GCMS confirms no prohibited substances in the moose hide.
Excellent. The certificate meets REACH and CPSIA standards.
Scanning the surface quality. The thickness uniformity meets the A-grade threshold according to the physical property test results.
0.9, 19.19 tangent. Defect mapping workstation utilizes industry standard height evaluation probe.
The thickness profiles on this section are inconsistent with the requirements.
Agreed.
Moose hides tumbling at 11 RPM in the cleaning solution as mechanical action loosens and removes embedded dirt particles.
Integrated water management infrastructure incorporates automated backwashing filter systems, maintaining optimal water clarity.
Secondary deep cleaning cycle employs advanced enzymatic cleaning solutions containing temperature-activated enzyme blends, maximizing catalytic efficiency.
Comprehensive rinsing protocol implements 3 consecutive rinse cycles using 4,800 liters of ultra-pure water.
Mechanical dewatering operation employs hydraulic press systems applying 200 bar pressure for water removal, carefully processing the thoroughly cleaned moose hides.
South Asian male quality technicians spread out individual moose hides, performing systematic visual inspection.
The pH is reading 7.1, right in range.
And conductivity is stable.
We are good to authorize the batch.
Automated sampling ports allow East Asian male technicians to monitor solution pH, temperature, and hide moisture uptake, verifying proper rehydration.
The pH is stabilizing right at 12.8.
And the sulfide content is within the target range.
The
temperature reading on drum 7 is stabilizing now.
Good. Let's maintain the current rotation speed and monitor the chemical levels.
The drum rotation gradually slows to 4 RPM, then stops entirely, allowing moose hides to settle.
The thickness is holding steady at 1.8 millimeters.
Good, the split is clean. We can maintain this speed.
Quality check complete.
Parameters are holding steady.
Combined with modern analytical instrumentation, ensuring every square meter meets the rigorous standards for premium wallets manufacturing applications.
The tensile strength on this batch is exceptional.
Meets the wallet specifications perfectly.
Advanced fleshing and splitting operations continue in this specialized processing area using industrial-grade German and Italian materials.
The tensile strength on this batch is exceptional.
Confirmed. The stabilization is perfect for the wallet application.
The parameters look good on the automation system.
And the caliper confirms the thickness. This batch meets the premium standard.
All parameters are met. This batch is approved for premium wallets.
German engineered machinery, Italian precision tools, and computer-controlled automation systems with experienced African
Advanced chromium tanning processing continues with experienced female technicians monitoring critical parameters.
We use state-of-the-art robotics to manage the stabilization, ensuring every hide meets international standards. High-capacity processing equipment and precision measurement instruments verify dimensional accuracy at each checkpoint.
computer-controlled automation systems with experienced South Asian male technicians monitoring critical parameters.
19.72. Professional dyeing and color application proceeds as skilled
Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area where moose hides undergo. Professional dyeing and color application proceeds as skilled South Asian female operators manage the moose.
Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area where moose hides undergo pigment.
Check the consistency on batch 19.83.
Parameters are holding steady, penetration levels are optimal.
Advanced drying and conditioning operations continues in the specialized processing area, where moose hides undergo moisture removal and dimensional stability.
Quality inspection passed on batch 4.
Confirmed. Dimensional stability is within tolerance.
Verify the dimensional stability on this section.
It's within tolerance. We are ready for cutting.
Professional drying and conditioning operations proceeds as skilled male operators manage the moose hide materials through moisture removal and dimensional stability.
The moisture levels are stable across the batch.
Good. The dimensional stability looks perfect for the wallets.
Advanced softening and mechanical continues in the textured processing area,
where professional softening and mechanical processing proceeds as skilled East Asian female operators manage high to high.
The tensile strength is excellent on this batch.
Confirmed. It meets the premium wallet specification.
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues in the specialized processing area, where moose hides undergo.
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues in the specialized processing area, where moose hides under.
Professional softening and mechanical processing proceeds as skilled South Asian female operators.
Industrial-grade equipment, including German-engineered machinery, Italian precision tools, and computer-controlled automation systems with.
The grain matching is flawless on this one.
Absolutely, it passes the rigorous inspection.
Sophisticated precision cutting and pattern optimization incorporates advanced manufacturing methodologies and Advanced industrial stitching and assembly continues, where moose hides undergo structural joining using industrial-grade German and
Industrial-scale final quality control and packaging operations process moose leather through inspection and product preparation.
Experienced South Asian female technicians monitoring critical parameters, ensuring every wallet component meets exacting quality standards for premium leather goods manufacturing.